Hey guys, so I'm changing up my tablet mount. This is the Mobnetic Mobnetic. If you can see here, I have their old tablet mount that I used to use for my iPad. It still works good, but you have to adjust these clamps up and down to be able to put the tablet in. And it kind of just hangs there, so I kind of wanted to go a different route. This bracket we made a long time ago to fit there. So this is it right here. It allows it to move around. It comes with a backing plate for your tablet, and it also comes with, let's see, 2 mounting discs, which I don't need, but it does come with 2 round mounting discs and a bunch of alcohol wipes to be able to install these guys. So I'm going to use this guy. I'm just going to place it on my Samsung tablet. Actually, I'll probably use one of the alcohol wipes that they supply. Just give it a little bit of cleaning since my kid has been using it. Let that dry out a little bit. Let's see with the air. There we go. Take this guy. I'm just going to put it basically dead center. So that should work good. So now, when this guy's on here, I'll be able to just slap that guy on like that. Kind of hard to tell with the glare. There you go. I also have their Mobnetic phone mount that goes there. I actually do want to put one of the discs up here, but when I notice that it's not flat enough and that the whole thing's going to be sticking down to it, so I may not do that. I may have to find another spot for it. But that's it, guys. Just comes right off. Let me know what you guys think.